Hey everybody, Tom here, and in this video we're talking chainsaw safety. Chainsaws are one of the most dangerous power tools out there. Over 30,000 Americans are treated for chainsaw injuries each year. To help you stay safe, we've compiled our most important chainsaw safety tips. Let us know what you do to stay safe in the comments below. Now let's get started. When possible, have somebody nearby when operating a chainsaw. In the event of an injury, you don't want to be all by yourself. If you're working in the woods, set a safety flag by your car and make sure somebody knows where you are and when you'll return. Keep a first aid kit close by, preferably one that contains a blood clotting bandage. Wear the proper safety gear. Most chainsaw-related injuries are to the hands, fingers, and knees. Wearing work gloves and chaps will help protect those vulnerable areas. You should also use a chainsaw helmet with a face guard, ear protection, steel-toed boots, and avoid loose-fitting clothing that can get caught in the teeth of the saw. Keep your feet firmly planted as you work, and hold the chainsaw with two hands. Keeping it at a slight angle to your body will help you avoid injury if there's kickback. Never use a chainsaw while on a ladder, and don't cut anything that is higher than your shoulder. If a tree is on an incline, always work uphill from it. Use the right chainsaw for the job at hand. A good rule of thumb is that the chainsaw's guide bar should be 2 inches longer than the wood it's cutting. When felling a tree, be aware of power lines, vehicles, buildings, and people. Those are the essential tips to staying safe while using a chainsaw, but let us know your tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit ereplacementparts.com for more helpful videos, blogs, and so much more.